Hello, my name is Srivasan. I'm an associate professor in transportation engineering here at University of Florida. There are two major areas of focus that I have within transportation engineering. One is travel behavior analysis and travel modeling. The intent there is to be able to build models for travel demand forecasting, which in turn can be used for transportation planning purposes. So that's one. The second area of research is on transportation safety, trying to build again statistical models for crash prediction and to understand the causal factors of crashes. Why transportation? I think that's something that we all feel and experience every day. Moving from one place to another is something that we all want to do, and there is a lot of interesting developments in how we can move from one place to another much better. It's a very rapidly evolving field where we are still thinking about conventional aspects such as highway design, but at the same time we are also thinking about the latest and greatest in communication technologies, vehicles that talk to each other, vehicles that talk to the infrastructure. So the graduate program in transportation engineering here at UF is quite holistic. I think that would be one word I would use to characterize. So you get to learn about the systems approaches, about planning, about various aspects of traffic operations, traffic engineering, and various kinds of simulation methods, and a lot of these fundamental methods which can be applied to any area of transportation engineering. I teach two courses. One is on transportation planning, one is on choice modeling. So both of them are aimed towards helping students become better modelers and planners and analysts. Of course, I should also mention that I do interact quite extensively with the Department of Urban and Regional Planning. So a lot of the students who work with me end up taking courses over at planning, and the other areas where students end up taking courses are in the statistics and the economics departments. What do I like to see in my students? Well, it would be a cliche, I guess I would say that before answering this, is really thinking outside the box. I think that and asking questions and not being afraid to go outside the boundaries of outside the boundaries of any conventional field to look for these to look for these solutions and methods. And I think a related issue would be effective communication skills. That's, I think, is extremely important. It's not just enough to know what you're doing, but it's even more important to be able to tell your colleague who's in a different area of expertise, or tell the people, or tell your parents, or tell your friends what you're doing in a language that they can understand.